Hello YouTube, and today I just got in my Back to the Future Part 2 1/6 scale DeLorean. Got a little damage on one of these sides over here, I believe it is. Yeah, right there. But it doesn't look like it went all the way into the other box. This thing is huge. I don't know exactly how big this the car is gonna be. This one that I was building is a 1/8 scale, I believe, and then this one is a 1/6. So I'm anxious to get this out of the box, kind of see what it looks like, and get everything put together. All right, so after opening the top flaps, you've got a piece of cardboard on top, and then inside is the main box. And it looks like it's in with these straps. It's in with some nice foam. Oh, this thing looks so big. I am so excited to finally get this thing in. I think I've been waiting about a year for it. All right, so after you get the straps undone, you got this nice, kind of like a poster on top of the car in hover mode, Back to the Future 2. And then all the instructions of everything you've got to put on the vehicle. Done up on this nice picture of the DeLorean. It's a DeLorean time machine, 1/6 scale collectible vehicle. Back to the Future 2. And looks like you've got some of the parts here. Looks like the stand and pieces to the stand. Get all these up and get this car out and start getting it put together. Okay, so here it is with the styrofoam lifted. Got the extra parts over here. This thing is massive. Oh my gosh. Looks so good. Need to read the instructions, see if I need to put batteries in, if it comes with them. I'm not for sure. Anyway, you can kind of see the time circuits inside, or the wires in the circuitry. Anyway, I'll go ahead and get this out of the package and start getting these parts installed on it. And there she is. Got the hover, like the hover wheels or tires. It's got a really detailed interior. And I don't have the alarm clock sitting in there on the dash, but it does come with I dropped it. Anyway, it does come with an alarm clock that you can put on the dash. You kind of see the interior here. Flux capacitor in the back. Pretty detailed back here. Really liking this. I'm not sure if I'm going to display it on the stand to where it looks like it's floating, or if I'm going to leave it in car mode. The doors hold up very well. You got different levels where they can actually sit. Open them up all the way. The seats actually look like they'd be soft, but they're not. They're just kind of a plastic. And this is really cool. Let's see if I can get in there and you can see the time circuits. I just need to get some batteries in here and see how everything works. Oh well. I think I've waited about a year for this thing to come in, and I don't know whether I'm going to finish up the 1/8 scale. Still got this whole side to do, and then I've got I forgot what numbers they are, but I've got, I think, 4 more sets of parts to get on this one before it's complete. And now that the new company has bought them from Eagle Moss or whatever it was that went out of business, I can actually finish it, but I don't know whether I'm going to. I am going to get some of the figures real quick and see how they fit in here, or see how they look next to it. I've got Doc Brown, and I've got the Marty that's actually in that DeLorean. So all in all, a very nice figure. This thing is huge. It's way bigger than I thought it was going to be. I was hoping that it might actually fit in that case. Nope, not so much. It is a lot bigger. So I'm going to get a its own table and put it over in the corner underneath where the Star Wars are. I'm gonna have to move the corn snake, but there she is. If you can still order them and you want one, I would highly recommend it. And I'm gonna go see if I can find some batteries real quick and get my Doc Brown figure out and see what he looks like next to it. I'll be right back. All right, so my Doc Brown's a little small for the vehicle. You kind of see, may need to order a 1/6 scale. But anyway, I've got the batteries in, so you've got your headlights, turn signals. You can kind of see inside. You get your flux capacitor fluxing. And then let me get around here on the other side. Come on, turn. You kind of see back here behind the seat, and then up on the dash. And then you've got some lights in the back. Pretty cool. And like I said, this thing is massive. This thing is huge. Anyway, that is it. That is the 1/6 scale Back to the Future 2 DeLorean. So you do have Mr. Fusion, and this does open. You've just got to do a little wiring. You've got to attach all of these. Attach some wiring here. Attach the front and wiring and tubes up front, and then a little bit on the back. To pop the tires out, you pull them straight out, tuck them under, and it goes into hover mode. But there would be your Doc Brown and 1/6 scale Back to the Future. Oh, I didn't even notice that. You've got the pull handles. Oh, and there's, okay, I didn't see that either. You've got lights up on the ceiling too. Pretty cool. And it's finally here. Anyway, there it is. If you liked the video, hit like, leave a comment, and hopefully soon I will have the 1/8 scale built. And then I don't know what I'm going to do with it. I don't know if I'm going to keep it or if I'm going to end up selling it. But this one here I will keep and just find a table to put it on. Have a good day.